Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. I'm Matt. In today's video we're going to talk about how to be a lazy girl and still be successful at work. The fast-paced lifestyle of modern society often makes us feel stressed, and we are eager to find a relaxed and happy way of working that allows us to better balance work and life. Lazy girl work is not synonymous with laziness or lack of effort, but a concept of smart work. We'll explore how you can use smart strategies and techniques at work to be more productive, reduce stress, and enjoy more freedom and leisure time. In this video, we share a series of practical tips on how to find your focus, increase productivity, establish a great work environment, and maintain work-life balance. We will teach you how to adapt to the rapidly changing work scene and stand out in a highly competitive environment, while achieving a more relaxed and fulfilling work life. Whether you're a working woman, a student, or a freelancer, these practical tips will help you manage your time better, be more efficient, and achieve more. Let's explore together how to be a lazy girl, get twice the result with half the effort at work, and enjoy the beauty of life at the same time. Find the focus of your work. In this busy world, we are often bogged down in endless work tasks and endless to-do lists. However, the key to being a lazy girl at work is learning to find your focus and focus on the things that really matter. First, understand your interests and talents. Take some time to think, what fields are you interested in? What skills and specialties do you have? The answers to these questions will help you define your priorities more clearly. Next, focus on work that you really care about and love. You'll feel more motivated and fulfilled when you're committed to something you're passionate about. Instead of wasting time and energy on unimportant tasks, focus on the things that will really advance your career. Also, learn to set goals and priorities. Identify the long-term and short-term goals you want to achieve and break them down into actionable steps. Then, prioritizing these steps will help you approach your work systematically and ensure you focus on the most important tasks. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help and delegate tasks. You don't have to do all the work alone. If the opportunity arises, assign the right task to the right people so you can focus on your core responsibilities while also increasing the efficiency of your entire team. Finally, regularly review and adjust your priorities. Work environments and goals may change, so be flexible and adjust your priorities as you go. This way you can make sure that you stay motivated at work. Remember, finding your focus doesn't mean you can completely ignore other tasks or responsibilities. But it does mean learning to prioritize and focus on the things that are truly meaningful to your career and life. This will help you use time and resources more efficiently, while bringing more satisfaction and fulfillment to your work life. Improve work efficiency. In the modern fast-paced work environment, improving work efficiency is the key to becoming a lazy girl at work. By adopting some effective strategies and techniques, you can complete your work tasks more efficiently while saving time and energy. First, set up a good time management system. Use a calendar or time management tool to organize your work schedule and set clear work and break times. Make sure each task has a reasonable time limit and stick to those time frames. Avoid procrastination and try not to be distracted and focus on the task you are doing. Second, learn to prioritize tasks. Divide work into urgent and important tasks, and prioritize based on these criteria. Tackle the tasks that are most important to your progress and goals first, and work on other, less important tasks later. Doing this ensures that you get the most important work done in the limited time you have. Third, use technological tools and software appropriately. Take advantage of digital and electronic tools that suit your work needs, such as project management software, email organizers, time tracking apps, and more. These tools can help you organize and track your work more efficiently while reducing errors and repetitive tasks. In addition, timely rest and relaxation are also important factors to improve work efficiency. Give yourself reasonable breaks to give your brain a chance to relax and recover. This will help improve your focus and creativity, making you more efficient at work. In addition, learning to say no is also the key to improving productivity. Don't overburden yourself with work, and learn to say no to tasks that aren't your responsibility or requests that can't reasonably be fulfilled. Maintain a work-life balance and devote your time and energy to the things that really matter. Finally, keep learning and growing. Constantly explore new working methods and skills, and seek opportunities to improve yourself. This way you can improve your professional skills while adapting to a changing work environment. By adopting these strategies and techniques, you can increase your productivity while reducing stress and fatigue. This will give you more time and space to pursue your interests and enjoy other areas of your life. Build a good working environment. The work environment is critical to productivity and creativity. When we are in a comfortable, organized, and motivating environment, it is easier for us to stay focused on tasks and achieve superior results. Here are some key ingredients for a great work environment. First, keep your workspace clean and organized. Clear your desktop, get rid of unnecessary files and items, and keep your work area tidy. Use organizational tools like folders, labels, and organizers to quickly find the files and resources you need. This can help reduce clutter and distractions and increase productivity. Secondly, create a comfortable working environment. Choose an ergonomic chair and a suitable work desk to ensure your working posture is correct and comfortable. Adjust light and temperature to create a suitable working atmosphere. Sometimes, adding some greenery or personal decorations can add cheer and comfort to your workspace. Third, reduce distractions and noise. Noise and distractions are the enemies of productivity. If possible, find a quiet work area away from noisy environments and sources of distraction. Use earplugs or headphones to isolate outside sounds, or play soft or focused music to help improve concentration and productivity. Also, establish good workflows and routines. Develop work plans and schedules to determine daily work goals and priorities. Establish a good work rhythm and habits, such as regular breaks, focused work time, and set times for reading emails. These structured routines can help you organize your work better and increase efficiency. In addition, maintain good communication and cooperation with colleagues and teams. Establish a supportive and collaborative work environment, share resources and knowledge, and help each other solve problems. This positive working atmosphere can improve work efficiency and promote creativity and innovation. Finally, don't forget to give yourself time to relax and rest. Rest and relaxation are important components of staying productive. Take regular breaks to do some exercise, breathing exercises, or meditation to allow your brain to rest and recover from the stress of long hours at work. Building a great work environment takes time and effort, but it will lead to a more productive work experience and better results. By creating a comfortable, organized and stimulating environment, you can more easily get to work while enjoying the process. Maintain a work-life balance. In the modern busy life, maintaining a work-life balance is an important goal. Overworking and neglecting your personal life can lead to increased stress, physical and mental health problems, and troubled relationships. Here are some ways to establish a healthy balance. First, set your priorities. Clearly set priorities for work and personal life and allocate appropriate time and energy to each area. This may require making some tough choices, but remember that balance is key. Appropriately allocate time for family, friends, hobbies and leisure activities, while maintaining productivity and focus at work. Second, learn to manage time. Effective time management is key to achieving work-life balance. Use a work calendar or time management tool to organize your time and set clear work and break times. Avoid excessive overtime and allow yourself some free time to relax, exercise, socialize with friends and family, or pursue hobbies. Third, learn to say no. Do not overburden yourself with work or accept demands that cannot reasonably be accomplished. Learn to say no to unnecessary work and learn to delegate and assign tasks to others. Doing so can reduce your work stress and give you more time and energy to focus on your personal life. Also, establish boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal life. When you're at work, stay focused on the task and avoid distractions and wasted time. Likewise, when you're enjoying your personal time, try to avoid distractions from work and allow yourself to truly relax and enjoy the moment. Also, keep your body and mind healthy. Taking care of your physical and mental health is key to achieving work-life balance. Give yourself enough sleep, exercise regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and find ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, breathing exercises, or hobbies. A healthy physical and mental state can improve work efficiency and increase life satisfaction. Finally, learn to enjoy the moment. Don't let work be your entire life, learn to find a balance between work and life. Cherish time with family and friends, develop hobbies, and give yourself opportunities to relax and have fun. This way you can enjoy life more fully while being more motivated and creative at work. Maintaining a work-life balance takes constant effort and adjustment, but it can lead to a healthier, more fulfilling life. By allocating time and energy wisely, learning to manage work-life boundaries, and paying attention to your physical and mental health, you can achieve a balanced lifestyle while gaining greater satisfaction in your professional and personal lives. Maintaining a good work environment and work-life balance are key elements in the pursuit of success and happiness. It takes constant effort and an awareness of our own needs and limitations. By establishing a clean and comfortable workspace, optimizing work processes, and establishing good communication and cooperation with the team, we can improve work efficiency and creativity. Likewise, by setting priorities, learning to manage time, and maintaining physical and mental health, we can achieve work-life balance. Remember that everyone's balance is different, so adjust to your own needs and values. While pursuing success, don't neglect to care for yourself and those around you. Allow yourself time to rest and relax, enjoy time with family and friends, and pursue personal interests and passions. This balance will lead to a richer, more meaningful life for you. Let us strive to create a healthy, positive and balanced work environment while seeking work-life balance. This will lead to greater fulfillment and happiness in both our professional and personal lives. Remember that balance is an ongoing pursuit that requires constant reflection and adjustment, but it is worth it. With hard work and persistence, we can achieve our goals while creating a rich and fulfilling life. I wish you success and happiness at work and in life. Please like, subscribe and sharing. We will bring you more valuable videos. See you next time.